Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing a review of this Xiaomi True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2 on it is known as the Earbuds 2. So this is the product itself. So let's see the features it has. It has single ear mode, compact and portable, up to 12 hours with charging case. It has Bluetooth 5.0, it has charging case and an independent wireless design. On the back, a bunch of specification of this product. So let's get unboxed and to do that. So when it came is the earbuds itself and some rubber buds thing, and it has a base user manual stuff, and that one is warranty, which I don't even care. Here's the product. This is one of my first time having a wireless earbuds. Here it is. Here's the product itself. This is in person. Let's put it in, and it both starts charging. So actually this product doesn't came with the micro USB charger. So I have these. I have the USB charger. I'm gonna charge the earbuds and then I'm gonna test the sound. If the sound is great, I'm gonna daily drive this as a replacement of my wired earbuds. So I'm gonna let this thing charge and see how it goes.
A few moments later.
We tested it. The sound pretty great. It has some bass, but I'm not an audiophile expert. Not well. Personally, it is comparable to my Samsung aka Tune wired earbuds. So maybe I'm going to daily drive it, and Samsung AKG earbuds can be used as a backup in case one of these battery dies. Well, I tried on my PC, it works, it pairs no problem at all, and I connected to my phone, my iPhone, it pairs instantly. So for $25, it is worth it. So that's all for this video. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. And you can follow my Twitter, GZTechie. That's all for this video. And catch you guys next time.